5.3. Got some pacesetter long tube headers, 1 inch 7/8. Kind of clearance issue with the spark plug right there. You could see it kind of burned some of the tip. What I did was I put some of the header wrap just to clear it a little bit before I get my wires. You can see no cats all the way down. Cold air intake. Passenger side, everything clears good. These 33s, mud touring tires, toy open country. See, 3-inch pipe all the way all around to a Y pipe. The muffler is a MagnaFlow MagnaPack, 3-inch, and it's tuned by HP tuners, making around 330 to the wheels. Here it is. I'll do a little cold start. See what you guys think.